Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, as you can see from the title, is a hair install video, and this video is sponsored by Yolissa. Yeah, so I'm just going to show you what's inside. We're going to do like a cute unboxing, and then we're gonna head right into the video. So this is how it looks. This is how it came. This is the weight. I will come back to it. It came with this. I'm assuming is like, I don't know, a bag to carry the hair in it, or a bonnet. It's usually a bonnet. An edges brush. Okay, Yolissa will send you some lashes. I got some lashes. And a wig band, a wig cap, and finally a bag to carry the hair in for storage. So now that we're done with the accessories, let's get into the hair. Alright, so this is a 24-inch HD lace water wig from Yolissa, okay? And guys, this is how the hair came. So pretty, no smell. It looks very good. I can't wait to put it on for you guys to see how it will be in the end, but let's get into it. Alright, I'm taking the hair net thing off. Okay, so this is what we're working with, guys. This hair feels so lush. Look at the lace. Look at it came pre-plucked. It came pre-plucked and literally styled with a middle part. Like, all I have to do is to glue this to my hair and we're done. Okay, so let's get straight into the video. I can't wait till you guys see how pretty, like, I can imagine how pretty it will look on me already. Let's get into the video.
Can I dive in your ocean? Can I take a dive in your ocean? Can I take a dive in your ocean? She can't grab it. I'm lying if I said I didn't want it. I can tell by your eyes that you focus. Yeah, come and hop on this pony. Can I dive in your ocean? Can I take a dive in your ocean? Can I take a dive in your ocean? I swear I'm drowning, yeah, I'm drowning, yeah, I'm drowning, baby. You fuck me good and I me good till I'm lazy, baby. Never had no pussy like girls, they got me crazy, baby. It got me crazy, baby. Yeah,
I'm in your ocean, it got me floating, it got you talking shit. It got me snapping on that ass like I'm owning it. And when I'm gone, you call my phone and say I'm wrong for this. That pussy good, they might catch on to this.
I'm in my zone for this. Might write a song for this. You still drinking Hennessy, but I need Patron for this.
Yeah, I gotta be strong for this. My girl, she moaning in, yeah. If you feeling like I'm feeling, just admit it, baby, yeah.
I'm lying if I said I didn't want it. I can tell by your eyes that you focus. Yeah, come and hop on this pony. Can I dive in your ocean? Can I take a dive in your ocean? Can I take a dive in your ocean?
I need your attention. I know this last nigga failed the mission. You like the shower or the kitchen. I would be a fool if I didn't listen.
Hit it from the back, then I hit it from the side in the morning. Yeah, in the way you calling my name, baby, I can tell that you want it.
Tell that you're my please and your eyes and me, that you lie to me. If not, I'm a die.
You scratching my back, I'm all in no gap. Only thing I speak is facts, all facts. Yeah. I'm lying if I said I didn't want it. I can tell by your eyes that you focus. Yeah, come and hop on this pony.
Come and hop on this phone.
Round and get round and get round and baby. Can I dive in your ocean? Can I take a dive in your ocean? Can I take a dive in your ocean? She can't grab it. I'm lying if I said I didn't want it. I can tell by your eyes that you focus. Yeah, come and hop on this pony. Can I dive in your ocean? Can I take a dive in your ocean? Yeah. Can I take a dive in your ocean? I swear I'm drowning, yeah, I'm drowning, yeah, I'm drowning, baby. You fuck me good and I be good till I'm lazy, baby. Never had no pussy like girls, they got me crazy, baby. I'm lying if I said I didn't want it. I can tell by your eyes that you focus. Yeah, come and hop on this pony. Dive in your ocean. Can I take a dive in your ocean? Can I take a dive in your ocean? Round and get round and get round and baby. Round and get round and get round and baby. Can I dive in your ocean? Can I take a dive in your ocean? Can I take a dive in your ocean? She can't grab it. I'm lying if I said I didn't want it. I can tell by your eyes that you focus. Yeah, come and hop on this pony. Can I dive in your ocean? Can I take a dive in your ocean? Yeah. Can I take a dive in your ocean? I swear I'm drowning. Yeah, come and hop on this pony. Can I dive in your ocean? Can I take a dive in your ocean? Yeah. Can I take a dive in your ocean?
I literally can't find the lace, guys. I literally cannot see the lace. Yolissa hair, you did your big one. Literally my new favorite water wave wig, guys. This is so pretty. It's 24 inches, okay? And it is all the way here. For reference, I'm a 5'6", but this hair, Yolissa, I'm amazed. I love it. If you made it this far, thank you so much for staying to watch. Thank you for watching my hair install video. And if you want to purchase the same hair, I'm going to put the link in my bio, okay? Just tap on the link in my bio that says Yolissa water wave hair, and you're going to have this beautiful unit, okay? Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next hair video. Bye.